Good morning, guys. G here, G's Loft. This here happened when we had one of those storms. The tree just came down. Missing my young bird coop probably by like 6 feet. That's crazy. I cut the branches off of that thing right there. This thing was all high. Branch right there, took it out. Today is a special day for me. Here we go. We got 3 reds, 1 white, a few splashes. This is an old hen. I probably have that one. I have that cock right there and another hen in here. I took out the other 2 males. They were really dominant. They did not accept this here. But all my young birds are moved over. I have 25 my first round. A lot of, probably like 4 or 5 pairs didn't lay. There's 1 pair that still didn't lay. I'm on my second round and now they're gonna start laying. You know, so it should have been around 32 to 35 my first round. So everybody in there now is laying. I got probably 28 to 30 eggs right now. I do have 4 babies in there. They're still not ready to not even be put on the floor yet. They're big already. They got their tails and everything, but probably another 2 weeks and they'll go on the floor. And then I'll leave them on the floor for 2 weeks. A week to 2 weeks, I'll supervise them, see if they're eating okay and everything. Then they'll be jumped over here. This is a nice little bunch. Everybody looks good. They feel great. You know, this is gonna be their first time without mom and dad, and they'll do fine. I scatter some feed on the floor so they can pick away. They want to stay on top of the hay over there, the straw, nice and cozy for them. They're gonna love it. It's all empty. That one there with the orange band, that's the grandson to the egg. That's the son of the egg with the granddaughter to the freak mating. And this with the blue band, that's the grandson to the freak, the daughter of the freak, with the son of 273, I mean. Nice birds. This red in the front here is one of my, this one. That red there is probably my favorite red. They all feel great, but he's different. He, she. They're looking good. They look good. I got the adult pigeons to teach them, you know, where's water, where's food, and just help them with the little things. Well, guys, this is it for me. Just showing you guys the young birds. And today's Saturday, around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning. It's pretty cold over here. Look at all that snow. It's cold. It's real cold. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Well, guys, thank you for everything. Those who subscribe to the channel, I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. For those who hasn't, take a look at the video. Subscribe to the channel for further notifications. Give me a thumbs up if you guys liked and enjoyed the video. And I will see you guys on the next one.